Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm planning to share it with you guys what are all the seeds we have from Lowe's Garden Center for you to start with your seed starting process for your spring and summer crops. So let's get into the video and see what are all different varieties we have this year. So as you can see, it's a good snow we had last few days and then the things are getting cleared up. So let's get into the Lowe's store and see what are all the seeds we have in mid of January. Okay, so mid of January, as I expected, all the seed packets are here. So let's go and check out. It's pretty exciting that the season is starting now. All right, let's start here. So all this section we have organic seeds, and you have got arugula, it's $2.99, and then you have basil, $2.99, and blue lake bush beans, that's $2.99, and you have all different beans variety. This is the golden wax variety, again $2.99, and this one is again blue lake stringless, $2.99. all the beans you got organic variety for $2.99. And then you have beets. Beet is one of the easiest growing vegetable if you are looking to start as a beginner gardener. This is really amazing, and you will definitely see the difference of purchased one versus how you grow on your own home. This will be a sweetest one, and the flesh will be very, very tender. But I think maybe in the shop they try to mature them higher so they could get a bigger one, and that's very hard. So that's what I realized when I started growing my own vegetables in my home. And then we have broccoli, that's again $2.99, and then we have again organic cabbage, $2.99, and cantaloupe, $2.99, and cantaloupe, different maybe varieties. This is hearts of gold, and this is honey rock, and this is Sierra gold. 3 different varieties you have in the cantaloupe, and they are organic seeds, $2.99. And then you have carrots. It's again $2.99 organic variety, and you could see various different varieties you have. And the most famous that I could remember is this scarlet nantes. They grow tall, and this then another interesting variety you could try it out is the rainbow mix. So they will get you colorful carrots. I never tried that because I was always used to have carrots with this color, so I never had a dare to try this multiple rainbow colors, but that's pretty interesting. What is this? Celery, again this is $2.99, and then you have cilantro, $2.99. But I think most of the Indians, we have in our groceries a lot of cilantro, so we use that. But of course we don't know whether they are organic, inorganic, so better to buy the organic seeds. So cilantro, $2.99, and then you have bushy cucumber, that's $2.99. Then you have garden sweet bud plus cucumbers, $2.99. You have various varieties of cucumbers. You could see this is for pickling, looks like, and then you have Space Master and Spring Bud Plus and Straight 8. I don't know what it means. And then you have Sumter, Tender Green, and then you have dill, that's again $2.99, and Long Island Mammoth dill, and this one is bouquet variety. And you have organic eggplant, and it's a long purple, $2.99. And then you have chives or garlic. So it doesn't produce garlic actually, I think it's for the leaves. So you got $2.99. we have onion bunching. So these are all grown for green onions because I don't think you will get onions out of these. You have onion seeds. These are Texas Grand variety 299, and then Wala Wala. This is the one of the common one many gardeners used to grow, and I have seen wonderful harvest from Garden Answer Laura channel. And you have various varieties of kale. This one is dark blue curled, and then you have lacinato. What is this? Lacinato. I don't know how I'm pronouncing it correctly. And then red Russian, and then you have lavender. I wouldn't recommend buying lavender now because they need a lot of colder period to break through the seed outer layer. So I think it's better to start them during the winter, but you can buy the seed packet, give it a try. But yeah, I think winter sowing is the best option for starting lavenders. And then lettuce. Yeah, this is one of the easiest vegetable you could start when the cold weather is still out there. And you have different varieties of lettuce. You could see butter scrunch, and then gourmet blend, Paris Island, salad bowl. Yeah, you got a lot of varieties. And then you got okra, Clemson spineless. Okra is one of the, again, much productive vegetable that I have grown ever in my garden. You need to really keep up in harvesting, because if you let them mature, they are going to really hard and may not be really good for eating. Their tenderness will be lost. Okay, and then we have rosemary and sage, spinach, various varieties, and squash, summer squash, buttercup, dark green, and then the early bush scallop, the white one, and then the early prolific straight neck. And we have some more squash varieties, and then I think flower seed I'll come back later. Then we have I don't know what this one, marjoram, I don't know. Then we have Swiss chard, and you have the red variety, and we have thyme, tomalitolo. What is that? I don't know. And then we have tomato, the most common varieties you can see always in big box store, the beef steak or steak, I don't know. And then delicious, and then we have sweetie, and this is the cherry tomato, looks like, and these one are big size one. And then we have plum type, Roma, San Marzano, and sweetie again. And we have yellow tomato, yellow pear, and then we have turnip and watermelon. We have various varieties, all sweet. Sugar baby, I think this one I have seen with Laura's channel. Triple crown hybrid, jubilee, golden honey, and what is this, crimson sweet, Kango. All these are 2.99. Okay, now let me just quickly glance through what are all various other vegetables we have. We have green peas and snow pea, and then we have chili, pepper, mint. Mint, I think you need to be very careful planting them in a garden. They are very aggressive. They start their suckers or shoots in the, under the ground, and then they just encroach the entire raised bed or whatever you are using. So better to plant them in a pot. That's what I'm learning, because every year I clean them and try to control them with a very small patch in my garden, but end of the season they really completely encroach the entire raised bed. Anyway, so then we have pepper heart, and this is also heart. So you have various varieties, and these are all again organic, 2.99. And then we have pumpkin, different varieties. You can see Big Macs, Casper, Fall Rainbow Blend, Jack-o'-lantern, and Small Sugar. And then we have radish. This is another easiest and yet cool crop. So you could plant them now if the soil is workable, because they just take 30 days to mature and give you a harvest. This is one of the really very encouraging vegetable the beginner gardeners should try, because you will really love it. Within 30 days you get harvest that gives a lot of motivation to you. You have champion, cherry bell, early scarlet globe, and French breakfast, and white icicle. This is one of the most, I think, popular variety many gardeners grow. I think all these seeds, most of the I think the popular varieties, you will see the seed packet available right now in January, but you may not see these seed packets available after a couple of weeks, like around end of February sometimes. So if you are looking for specific varieties of seed packets to buy, you should really shop now. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting, and sharing it with your friends.